sit at one place because they created so much of issue that they are in charge of their man-made religion and all this thing. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, I'm leaving this village today and which I'm gonna share with you. It's really sad. So guys, I came to Kustia with Afnan because he wanted to drop his mom at his sister's place and Kustia was not even in my plan. So because of him I came here and then I was, I'm explorer. I can't sit at one place. So I was trying to explore the village where I was staying, but when I did that, the locals, they created so much of issue because of my clothing and all this thing, and I wear a decent cloth and it was like plus 40 degree and they wanted me to cover my face, this and that. I can't do that. And if I'm wearing like immodest dress, then I can think about it, but I was wearing a decent dress and in this hot summer I can't do all this thing. So because of that, so much drama happened and then I lost my interest in vlogging about those places. And Rabindranath Tagore's house is in this area. And then what happened, when I was roaming, I was exploring the village, because the thing is that when I'm backpacking, I can't sit inside one room or I can't gossip with women and all this thing. I talk to everyone, so I was very comfortable with the youngsters because they were giving me the information and all, and they were very friendly and caring. So I explored with them. And then at night what happened, some villagers, they called Afnan's brother-in-law and then they said all this thing, and then he called his sister and then so much drama happened. So you will find this 10% of people everywhere who think that they are in charge of their man-made religion and all this thing. So much drama, and this was like my bad experience in Bangladesh, but it's okay, it's a part of the journey. So I thought I'll share with you, so I'm sharing. But I was really sad and disappointed by all this thing. People, they need to change their mindset. Kya hua? Yeah, he's staring at me. I don't know, earlier people, they were staring at me and I was like okay, but then it became too much. I was not able to take all those things. This only I wanted to share with you. So guys, wherever you go, you'll find 10% of people that with cheap mindset and all. About those things, you won't be able to explain. It's like how to explain those things. So now I'm on the highway. I'm gonna start my hitchhiking for the Maman Singh, and he's also with me. Afnan, you can see that. लोग कितने लोग हैं? कुछ बात करें।
ওস্তাদ যাইবেন কই? কুষ্টিয়া বলতো আমাদের তো ময়মনসিংহ যাওয়া লাগতো, কোনো জায়গায় ব্যবস্থা করে দেওয়া যায়?
Okay, okay, thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
So he is not going.
ময়মনসিংহ
हाँ, okay, okay, धन्यवाद.
কুষ্টিয়া দিয়ে আইছি।
धन्यवाद. So he is going to Kustia only. Another vehicle we got. क्या? अरे यार, we have to. अरे यार. Guys, we have got our first hitchhike of the day, and for 14 kilometers. So we are going to Kustia, and from there, you know, we have to hitchhike again. Dhanyawad, thank you so much. Finally some relief. So guys, they were really nice. They dropped us for 14 kilometers, and now we have to start hitchhiking again. So you can see this is Kustia city, and from here we're gonna hitchhike again. We have to go on the Mymensingh highway, and then I'll start hitchhiking again. It's past 9 a.m. and it's becoming very, very crowded. You can see Bangladesh is a country of rickshaws. You see rickshaws everywhere. So guys, I have removed my hoodie due to storm Rimal. I was feeling, you know, very cold early in the morning, but now it's past 10 a.m. I think, and it's very, very hot. And we are on the Mymensingh highway, where so we are trying to stop some vehicles. Let's see ये कहाँ जाएंगे. कार ही नहीं है. The car was not empty. Let's see how it goes.
चुपती जलती गर्मी, चुपती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया, चुपती जलती घमौरिया लाया.
Heat. Oh my god, how sunny it has become. See? So one truck is coming, so we are gonna try on that. Let's see if he stops. अरे ट्रक में तो अरे यार. So guys, let's see if he stops. रोको रोको रोको, he stopped. कुछ किलोमीटर
আমরা তো সফর করি বিস্কিট ফকিট গাড়ি গাড়ি কি বিএরবি গ্রুপের
Where is going?
ঢাকা যাইতেছে.
ঢাকা
কোনোভাবে কি সম্ভব?
It's going to ঢাকা.
তারপর যত যদি কাছে কোথাও তো হয় তারপর একটু দেখেন যদি পারেন.
ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं, धन्यवाद धन्यवाद धन्यवाद. Guys, on our hitchhiking, I met this uncle. He is from he's retired or working? Retired. So uncle is retired from Bangladesh army, and he's trying to help us. Dhanyawad. He's like, no problem, you don't have to be scared. अरे यार, ये बीच में ये लोग, you know this. हाँ इसलिए नो है. आपण कोठे जाबेन? कहाँ जा रही?
ময়মনসিংহ.
यहाँ पे भी ले चलो. Park side. Oh guys, we go driving to Mymensingh.
পিছনে চলো.
हाँ Mymensingh ना. बैग बैठो, पार कर लो, मैं बैग लेके आ रही हूँ. साइड में कर लो. ये पार करने पर
লালন শাহ का खेल.
अरे बोलो पार करने के लिए. ओए रुको, वो कार पार साइड में, वो कहाँ चले गए?
कंपनी में गाड़ी तो.
अरे उसने क्या बोला था? अरे वो तो Mymensingh जा रहा है. ये क्या हुआ? अरे देवेंद्र, ये क्या समझा? They left us, I think. हाँ थैंक यू.
उसका लग के लोग जो कह रहा था ना उसने.
आप गाड़ी से जाके उसको बोलो ना थोड़ा रोकने के लिए.
हरामी.
अच्छा. उसने तो हाँ बोला और मैंने सिर्फ पार करने के लिए बोला. I think miscommunication happened. Oh, I was so happy. अरे यार कितना अच्छा था ना. वो मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो गया क्या? मुझे तो लगा वो लेके कितना अच्छा था यार, नसीब से निकल गया. उप्स, इट्स ओके. एक ही थोड़ी है. नहीं नहीं, आप जल्दी जाओ यार. नहीं जल्दी जाओ यार, हमारा गाड़ी चला जाएगा.
ऐसा नहीं करो.
रुका रुका, दौड़ के जाओ. So guys, one vehicle has stopped. I have to take my bag. Oh, that was so nice. It was still like Singh, but what to say? हाँ. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Bad luck. कमीना कितना अच्छा था वो. खराब कर दिया पूरा पूरा. People are so weird here. They don't understand. It's okay. I'm gonna try
हो जाएगी.
till my last breath. This is too much. I'll go by hitchhiking only. Let's see how it goes.
ये तो गया. Auntie was so nice who gave me the water. She was calling me for, she was like bhat khabe and having fun adventures in Bangladesh. इसका गाड़ी आने वाला है.
हाँ पुलिस आ रही है.
ना नहीं रुकेंगे. वो यहाँ का लोकल है.
So guys, finally one truck had stopped. Finally some relief after waiting for more than 1 hour. And people are really kind, you know. It's fine. You know, I was having such a nice experience in Bangladesh. Only that was the, you know, and it was not even in my plan. I don't know why I came there. It's okay, it's a part of journey. So we have stopped here for a tea break. I don't want to drink tea in this hot sunny weather. So Afnan and driver Dada, they're having their cup of tea. And this lift we got after waiting for more than an hour in that hot sun. And here people, they don't know much about this hitchhiking and all, and it was like when you stopped him, it was like it's a company transport, this and that. I was like, okay, we go in company transport only, just take us. So he was like, okay, come. After thinking for 4-5 minutes, I was like, okay, come. And now he has also contacted his friends about Mymensingh. So those who will be going to Mymensingh, we can go with them. So let's see what happens and how it goes. We will get to see everything. So guys, we are on the road again.
दिल चाहता है कभी न पीते चमकीले दिल
बहुत दिल चाहता है, दिल नहीं चाहता, धूप चाहता है फिलहाल तो।
चाहता है हम रहे कभी यारों के भी, हम ना रहे कभी ड्राइवरों के भी।
धन्यवाद।
রিপন ভাইয়ের একটা ভিডিও নিয়ে যাই, কারণ ওই সময় রিপন ভাই ভালোবাসা আপনার জন্য।
ভিডিও
রিপন ভাই আপনার জন্য অসংখ্য ভালোবাসা।
আপনি কিছু বলেন বাংলাদেশের।
আর
Guys,
इंडिया से आया है ये।
ही बहुत अच्छे मानुस है, हमारा बहुत हेल्प किया। वी वेटेड फॉर 1 आवर एंड फाइनली हमें इन्होंने लिफ्ट दिया। सो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, भगवान आपका भला करे। थैंक यू सो मच।
আসি ভাইয়া।
তো ফাইনালি রিপন ভাই আমাদেরকে পৌঁছে দিয়েছে। রিপন ভাই
So happy now we have to start hitchhiking again.
দোয়া করব যে আপনি
Leaving now.
আমি যেটা ইউজ করি ওটা বলেছে
So helpful.
লিংক বরিশাল সার্ভিস
And we met some locals. They are also very friendly. Adventures with Snigdha. Adventures with Snigdha.
ভিডিও কি আপলোড করবেন এটি?
हाँ
তার আমার এমপি নেট লিখে দেন, আমি সার্চ দেব না।
हाँ ओके।
লিখে দেন। ইন্ডা সাথে এক সেকেন্ড।
हाँ हाँ
হাই।
इनके फोन में कर लो।
सब लोग जॉब कर रहा है ना,
हाँ।
तो बांग्लादेश का आईएसपी है ना, जो इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर, आईएसपी का काम कर रहा है भाई।
इंडियन गाड़ी, इंडियन नेट बहुत स्लो।
3 দিন বিদ্যুৎ ছিল না, 3 দিন।
हाँ हाँ वो स्ट्रॉम आया था ना। कहते लोग दे रहे हैं।
ওই যে রিক और जो सागर मैडम है प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए।
ई चैनल। अभी हम जाएंगे, चलो बाय, थैंक यू बाय। So guys, I got one more subscriber. Where they are going?
लेट्स आस्क ये लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पूछो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, पूछो ना। अरे यार, अरे वो लोग रोके थे, वो छोटा वाला गाड़ी रुका था, ये ट्रक ये पेट्रोल वाला। हाँ अरे आगे चले क्या?
हाँ चले।
पेड़ के नीचे चलते हैं। We'll ask them ये गाय लेके कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Tutu back here is my
Sun
bag
give
and
us power. Not power, it's power.
so guys, finally we have got our third hitchhike of the day and this is still Tangal. Thank you very much. आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
See, finally some relief. After waiting for like half an hour, we got this one. Ah, it feels really nice.
दिल नहीं चाहता हम ना रहे कभी दिल नहीं चाहता
You country?
हाँ
You country?
अरे मुझे বরিশালিয়া
আমি ভারত
মুই
ইন্ডিয়া
বরিশালিয়া আরে এটা ইন্ডিয়ার বন্ধু এটা এসে কি হলো কি ইউটিউবার আছে না ইউটিউবার হি ইজ ইউটিউবার ইন্ডিয়া সব ঘোরা শেষ আর
3 साल से पूरा लिफ्ट ले लेके
আমাকে দুইজনের ব্যাপার আছে আমি তো এর আগে এর অভ্যাস আছে আমার মোটামুটি আমি এর আগে অনেক সফর করছি মাজারে মাজারে ঘুরছি ওস্তাদ আপনাকে সুবিধাই আপনারাই নিয়ে গেছেন
So guys, they are buying some lychee.
কত? দুইশো কত তেল লাগবো? 200 কত তেল লাগবো? 200
এখানে লিচু
So guys, we got lychee.
তোদের লিজে তোর ছবি উঠাইতেছে
हाँ
ভিডিও করতেছে ইউটিউবে দেখবি তোদের দেখা যাবে বুঝছিস হ্যাঁ চ্যানেলের নাম কি
Adventures with Snigdha. Adventures with Snigdha. Thank you, धन्यवाद.
20 টাকা দাও 20 টাকা দাও
ওকে
20 টাকা দাও দুই জনের 80 টাকা 20 টাকা দাও 20 টাকা কে দেবো
So guys, driver Dada he got lychee. You can see here. And I'm having lychee. See, this is the benefit of hitchhiking. Very delicious, very sweet.
ये लीचू भी 60 fps का है
उससे ज्यादा का. So guys, I have got the back seat in this truck, so I can see easily. Finally, we have reached Tangal, and I'm so grateful to them for dropping us till here. And I wanted to, we wanted to go to Mymensingh, but we have found a contact in Madhupur where Garo people live, and I have got connected with someone from Garo tribe, and now I'm so excited. Only now we have to go for more 17 kilometers from here, and I'll be with Garo family. I'm so excited. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. Thank you. So helpful. Bye. So nice. He fed us so much. watermelon, lychee, and this toddy, and what else? Yeah, too many things. I can't even remember the name because I'm so excited. I'm going to the Garu region. So guys, after reaching here, I got very tired and there was no electricity, so I couldn't show you anything. I will try to show that in my next vlog. So with that, I'll end my today's vlog over here and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.